Good morning to all. I am Harishwaran from CP01. Today we will see about the topic is types of runner. In the types of runner, majorly we get classified into the two types of runner. The major first one is a hot runner and another one is a cold runner. In the hot runner, the major runner technologies introduced in the plastic industry over the 50 years ago. Revolution of the injection molding process, capability by improving the molding parts qualities, enhancing the operation efficiency, reducing the scrap metals and saving money. Technology, manifold, locating ring, inlet, heating technologies and nozzle. The mold system consists of an unheated channel to using to convey the molten plastic to the molten cavity to the runner. The cold runners may be the larger, necessary for the larger flow of the plastic material through the cycling process to avoid the defilling the mold. Other types of cold runners are basically classified into the two major categories. Three types of 3-plate mold and a 2-plate mold system. Cold runner mold systems allow the easy color changing available and working well in the heating sensitive polymers and less expensive materials and easy to maintain and to comparing the hot runner. In the hot runner mold system, ideal of large scale parts can be produced for preferable for the high cost materials since the hot runner formally essential are estimating scrap. Cold runner molds, ideal of the low volume production will be runs in the cold runner molds as well as application for the easy color changing and requires the throw out of runner. Advantages of the hot runner mold: low scrap and wastage, more control over low injection pressure and temperature. The fast cycling time due to the lack of runners and removal, high production consistency, improve the quality with non-runner to remove. Disadvantages of the hot runner mold to comparing the cold runners: the high tooling cost, longer leading time to the mold fabrication, increasing the maintenance complexity and cost, complication of the heat sensitive resins. Advantages of the cold runner: much lower tooling cost to comparing the hot runner, ability to incorporate the automation to reducing the cycling time to comparing the hot runners, and the molded are easy to maintain to comparing the hot runners and suitable for the any materials. Disadvantages of cold runner to comparing the hot runners: the longer cycling time to comparing the hot runner, surface blemishing and imperfection from the runner removal. Disadvantages of the cold runners: long cycle time, surface blemishing and imperfection from the runner removal, increasing material wastage if the runner's material is able to reclaim. Consideration of the hot runners and cold runners. Hot runner mold requiring the high upfront cost and are likely to including the high maintenance cost to compare the cold runners. In the cold runner molds, in the cost less to producing the highly to the low lifetime maintenance cost. And the hot runners are the likely for including high maintenance to providing the advantages of cycling time and the production efficiency, lack of material wastage. In the cold runners, at the expense of the long cycling times and the material wastage will be increased. In this video, we learn about the types of runner, application and disadvantages of runner, advantage and disadvantage, application and uses of runner and cost reduction. Thank you.